Welcome to Kaveri's Craft Studio. Today, let us learn how to make bead bunch earrings using A4 size sheets. We need 18 round paper beads. I have taken single colored beads for this project. You can also use different colored beads as per your creativity. Let us learn how to make these beads by yourself. Take an A4 size red color sheet. Cut the paper to a length of 24 centimeters. Mark 1 centimeter on the base. Cut it into two right-angle triangles. Stick 3 such triangles together at the base using glue. Take a toothpick and start rolling. Glue at the end. I use Modpodge to glaze the bead. This is how it looks after glazing, glowing and shining. For detailed illustration, please check my video on how to make round paper beads. Link is given in the description. Let's look at what else we need for this project. 2 loop chains of 10 loops length. 2 earring hooks, 18 head pins, 18 small gold beads. Let's begin. Create a bead hanging by inserting a gold bead followed by a paper bead to a head pin. Make a loop after removing the extra length. Create 18 such hangings. Now take a earring hook and insert a loop chain onto it. Insert one bead hanging per loop to make it a beautiful bunch. This is a very simple and easy DIY craft. You can quickly make these partywear earrings at home. This is one more set of earrings made out of colorful magazine papers. Please do visit my channel for many such DIY jewelry ideas. Please like, share and click the bell icon to get the notification.